This video introduces Lekhboard. Lekhboard is an intelligent, collaborative whiteboard. Once you open a Lekhboard session, you'll get a user interface like this. There are a few menus on the left side of the screen. On smaller screens, these menus will appear at the bottom of the screen. By default, the Lekhboard opens in the Smart Draw mode. In this mode, you can draw a shape, or you can add a shape using the Context menu. You can also add shapes by dragging them from the Shapes menu or using shortcut keys. You can connect the shapes just by drawing. You can add text anywhere by double-clicking. You can also add the text using the text tool from the menu. Next to the Smart Draw Mode button, there's a Draw Mode button. Once you click this button, you'll get the option to choose the pen width, line colors, and dash lines. In this mode, the Lekhboard will not recognize your drawings. It will draw exactly what you draw on the screen. If you want to erase a few shapes from your drawing, you can click the eraser and erase those shapes. You can also erase by selecting shapes and pressing the delete button on the keyboard, or clicking the delete button here on the screen. If you want to delete everything on the canvas, you can just click the Erase All button. This will erase everything and will give you a blank screen. You can undo any operation by clicking the Undo button. If you click the first menu in the menu bar, you'll get two options: Select and Move. If you choose the Select, then you can select multiple shapes on the screen. You can move them together and delete all of them. If you choose the Move, then you can scroll the canvas by dragging the screen. You can also scroll the canvas by dragging two fingers on your trackpad or on your touchscreens. From the top left drop-down menu, you can export your drawings in various formats. You can also get options to disable the grid lines on the canvas. And you can also disable the snapping of objects in the menu. In the menu, you have the laser option. If you choose the laser, then it'll change your mouse pointer to a red circle. If you move this circle, then this will show your current mouse pointer to other users who are collaborating with you on the board. If you're using a touchscreen, then you need to drag on the screen to show your pointer location to other users.